Alright, welcome to part 3 of the Skyscorcher slash Obliterators, and next up is Eagle Eye slash Hawk. Yeah, this one's really fun. So yeah, there's take that hand foot gun off, and yeah, you gotta just love this color scheme. It's like when I saw this, it's like it instantly reminded me of Mountain Dew, or shall we say now, American Dew. Yeah. Just the very vibrant, like greens and the lighter green, yellow, black. There's even some red in the robot mode. So, anyway, yeah. So here we have Mr. American Dew. Yeah. Now, because the Protectobots essentially had it's like a 6 members, the guns here were doubled up. So, yeah. Just took that and doubled up the weapons there, like so. Yeah. So here we have, we're gonna go with Eagle Eye, and he's based on the aerial bot Skydive. Use his mold with these new wings from a steam shield. These were meant to be for needle nose. Yeah, so they're quite intricate. And then on the front here, Cooljaz basically sanded down the original tail fins and added this to the front to give it, put like these wings in the front of the nose cone. So yeah, here we have the decals from Vertysnapsales, and again, these were meant for the G1 Skyscorcher, but yeah, and they work out pretty well. Yeah, like this whole wing pattern, it's like a very, very huge. Yeah, and it looks pretty cool. A lot bigger than the other figures, though. So yeah, the wings, it's like sort of snapping on the side of the fist, so they can be a little tricky to transform. You know, so I'm gonna be gently snap them out. You gotta be very careful with these. Alright, there we go. So, bring out the arms. Alright. Alright, just take them out very gently. Alright, there we go. Now, it's a little tricky when you transform them, though. They need a little bit of the clearance to get over that one there. Take these out. I only transformed these a few times. Had a very busy month, so didn't get too much time to mess around with them. And the thing about these Skyscorchers was they were never meant to be one-to-one. It's like just basically putting the paint job. It's like on Combiner Wars. There we go. And there we have Eagle Eye in the robot mode. Yeah, lots of very black. It's like one of the coolest color schemes it's like ever. And love the decals there on the wings. It's like how those match up. And then you have the Decepticon insignia right there on the back, as to not to ruin the cool chest patterns. Yeah, apparently, yeah, so Eagle Eye here is the infiltrator of the Skyscorchers. And he doesn't really have much of a personality. His only real personality is, oh, he really hates Autobots. And then have Bud Yansky to flush him out, if you will. Yeah. So there he is with his double guns, and yeah, you can just hang this one here on the back. Overall, I love the whole silhouette of this guy. It's like with the wings. They're kind of seekerish, but not exactly. Yeah, they hang out quite well. The head is based on a jazz head, and that was like 4mm, but you know, painted with the matching copper and the green eyes as all the Decepticons had during this period. So yeah, that's the guy that hates Autobots, the Infiltrator. Not much else is given on him. And as I said, very cool looking figure painted by Cooljazz, and yeah, fantastic stuff overall. Like I said, the wings, it's like are from Steam Shield, and they're from needle nose. They're a little complicated. You're gonna have to put pins in there. So yeah, I'll leave links. It's like to all those parts and things. All right, everybody. Later. Bye. We'll move on to the next.